welcome back to the Francis. So today we're going to look about some shrimp. Not we. I am going to look about some shrimp. I feel like I want some shrimp, so I'm going to do some barbecue shrimp. Mr. Francis is all the way over there. Francis. Mr. Francis is allergic to shellfish. Yes, that's what he said. So, I have some shrimp here. I didn't have any raw shrimp. I have some cooked one. So I said, oh, let me use it because this dish doesn't take long. It's very quick. So, I already put it in some cold water because it was in the freezer. So all I'm going to do is just take off the tail because it's already cooked. It's not going to take long. So I just took off the tail. That's all I'm going to do. Take off the tail, and remember, when you're tying out your shrimp, tie it out in cold water or room temperature water. But I normally use cold water. So I'm picking off the tail. Come right back when I'm finished. I just finished with my shrimp. I just took off the tails and I washed it. So I'm going to start with the cooking process now. I just put some butter in my pot, like maybe about a stick of butter. Yes. I just put it in the pot. I'm going to melt it. And it's supposed to be unsalted butter. Then I'm going to put quarter of a medium onion. I need one of the small bell pepper, and I need about the same for the green one. So I'm going to use the two colors, the orange and the green. Then I'm going to use half a teaspoon of the chopped garlic. I'm going to put it in the pot. It's just me alone, people. Mr. Francis don't eat shrimp. You notice how you don't hear him? He's far away. Okay, people, look in the pot. I'm going to saute my seasoning. I'm going to allow it to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to cover it. It's going to cook like about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to put my flame on medium flame. Let's check our pot. Look at that. Our seasoning is cooked. To this, I'm going to add 1 cup of barbecue sauce. And I'm going to use the original Kraft barbecue sauce. 1 cup. Then I'm going to put 1 tablespoon soya sauce. I'm going to add a teaspoon of the Asian zinc sauce. That's the chili sauce. Yes. 1 teaspoon. And that's pepper. Yes, chili pepper, soy, and ginger. 1 teaspoon. Then I'm going to put in my shrimp. Remember, my shrimp is half cooked already, so I don't look. So it's not going to take long to cook because it's half cooked. I'm going to put half a teaspoon Creole seasoning. See it? Creole season, half a teaspoon. Don't want too much salt because it's not a lot of shrimp. And then I'm going to put half a teaspoon Old Bay. And that's it, people. I'm going to cover it for about maybe 4 to 5 minutes. And then we are done. Okay, everyone, we are done. So this is my barbecue shrimp. Yeah. And I sprinkle a little parsley flakes on it. This is it. You can have it with rice or vegetable or anything you want. And you can put pepper in it. I can't do too much of the pepper, so I omitted the pepper. I might eat a little with a little pepper, but not much. But you can put whatever seasoning you want with it. You can put whatever amount of pepper you want, but this is it. I'm not going too close to Mr. Francis, as I told you before. So let's taste. Pepper. No people. It's not pepper. I just gonna have to run short. And here Mr. Francis laughing at me. What people is good. Pepper. But people, the recipe called for uncooked shrimp. But I use a cooked one because that's what I have. But it's uncooked shrimp. So when you're doing it, uncooked shrimp. Okay? But real good. I can't believe Mr. Francis will laugh at me. Anyway, people, this was a fast one. I'm asking you to like, share, and comment. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And try this meal, man. Try this meal. It does not take long. It's quick and easy. But I'm leaving now because I'm hungry. As always, eat good food, make belly bust. I am out for now.